What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Mike here. We're going to talk about Saitamask. What's going on? Why is the price not moving? So make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily cryptocurrency content. And remember, we're giving away $500, so check this video out. Hi everyone, 2Bit here. We're giving away $500 to our amazing community that have supported me from the start. When we launched the channel, who knew where it was going to go? And I want to give back thanks to your amazing support. In order to be eligible, make sure you click subscribe, click the bell notifications so you know every time I go live, and watch the 3K subs giveaway video. Drop a comment in that video and you could be the proud owner of $500. And again, thank you ever so much for your support. Now back to the video. Okay guys, so if that isn't the reason why you shouldn't subscribe, then I don't know what is. But let's take a look. So we know we got the Saitamask. Everyone's talking about it. Everyone's saying the swap feature is available. I want to break it down a little bit more in this video as we talk through. So the price, $17.23, is up 8.5%, okay? It's up 8.5% on the day, back over that $900 million market cap, which is good. Daily volume, nearly $8 million, is strong. Liquidity still feels a little bit light, if I'm totally honest, 337,000 holders. So we do seem to have a positive trend, albeit on the 12-hour chart, we are still seeing quite a negative turn. If we go to the 1 hour though, we did see a nice run up in the anticipation of the launch of the Saitamask swap feature. That we have then seen a quite big sell-off. Whales are certainly making this very, very difficult for Saitama. We've talked a lot about this channel around it's going to be a rough ride for Saitama. We cannot deny it. There is a lot of people that want to get out of this project when they can, and equally there are a lot of people that think this is going to absolutely go to the moon. I always talk about this as a long-term hold for me. I'm not interested in getting out as soon as I possibly can. I do think that it is a long-term hold, albeit it's going to be very challenging. It's going to be very emotionally challenging, I think, for holders. But in the long term, for me anyway, think that it is going to be worth it. Not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. But I do think for me, I'm happy to sit and hold my Saitama and see what happens. So what did we get? Well, look, we got this announcement 3 hours ago. We're thrilled to announce the swap is open. Update your Saitamask app and start swapping now. So you move for all iOS and Android. As ever, Android came out first. 1.11.1 is what you need, so make sure you go and do that. We then got a full official announcement from the Saitama team to let us know that it was fully functioning. It was open with pace and grace. Our engineers worked to renewable swap function. We know it took longer than anticipated, but our team wanted to ensure that Saitamask was operational, easy to use, most importantly, safe, secure for our community. Cannot fault them. 100% agree. Thrilled to announce Saitamask is fully operational on Android devices and will be fully operational on iOS devices shortly. Please note, once the iOS update is available, users will be able to swap immediately. We're happy to report that since the swap opened, there has been zero bot activity. Tick, well done, brilliant. Now, here's the problem. What people are saying is that they can only swap Ethereum to Saitama, which isn't great. Jake Gagan came on a couple of hours ago, did a quick update video. He can only swap Ethereum to Saitama. Not back, so you can't swap it back, and you can't buy other tokens. Now, for me, I'm going to bring up my Saitamask on the screen right now as we speak. I can't even kind of get into the app at the minute, which is unusual because I've been able to get into it basically comfortable. I can sign into the app. You can see their network connection issue at the bottom. I go into the swap feature, brings the swap feature up, no problems. I go to select token, and unfortunately I am then sat with the loading data screen, which isn't great. Now, they have said that there is a lot of activity going on, and I don't doubt there isn't. People are desperate to use it. Lots of people are talking about their funds stuck within, it still hasn't loaded, their funds are stuck in Saitamask. So people are trying to get in. People are desperate to see if they can use the swap function. People are trying to get a bargain. So we're going to have to wait and see. But fully functioning is certainly not where it is right now. You can see when we go through Twitter, we can see some of the pairings seem to be coming through for certain people. So you can see this Don Stockton 17 minutes ago is saying that he can do Ethereum and Impact XP. Now, when we put it into Dex Tools on the Pair Explorer, you do actually get the pair address here. You can just see it, the OX93F. Putting that into Etherscan does bring up the Saitamask token tracker. Now, again, I'm not going to say I'm a super contracts nerd, but this looks like the Saitamask app. We can see that currently on that pairing, there is $1,200 worth of Saitama token, and equally the Impact XP token. So that looks like the pairing. Under Saitamask, we can click into this Saitamask app, and we can see only 18 transactions or transfers so far, just around liquidity and etc. So I'm not 100% certain. Still feels like something isn't quite right with it. Still feels like we've not got full usability on it. But again, let me know in the comments down below if that's different to what you guys are seeing. And then the other bit of news that we had. Now, we knew that we were going to delay Saita Realty. Now, it has been delayed. This is breaking news, just landed. It is going to be delayed until Friday. So that's actually a 48-hour delay, which originally it was only going to be 24 hours. They were going to launch tomorrow. So again, meant to launch on the 1st, now going to launch on the 4th. That's 3 days later. I think it'll be delayed again. Just my gut feeling. I think the fact that we are not seeing fully usable Saitamask as they expected, I do think we're going to see another delay on the Saita Realty. But again, we're going to have to wait and see. But after polling the community, we've decided to postpone the launch of Saita Realty to Friday, March 4th, 2022, 5 PM Eastern. We heed the advice of the Wolfpack and given our users ample time to familiarise themselves with Saitamask. We want everyone to have the time to download the update, import the wallet, and feel confident that they can transact with our trading platform. I don't think people do. That's the problem right now. I don't think people do feel confident. In complete transparency, I haven't transferred anything on Saitamask, and I aren't going to. I want it to be working. I want to know that it's going to be right, and I want to know my funds are safe. There's too many stories on social media right now of people not being able to get into their account, people not having the money drop in. So I do think that we are in for a rough ride in terms of the price. Equally, they need to get this stuff together, and it kind of is frustrating for everyone who's invested, and it is frustrating for people to constantly be delayed. But then when these things come out, it doesn't work. We cannot deny it. It has been a botched launch again, in my opinion. We haven't got full token use. They think they have. So there's something not quite right at the minute. Hopefully they can get this sorted. Hopefully Saita Realty comes out and we can just move on and start to see what we can do with the price. But let me know in the comments down below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.